How to delete Gmail account. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail account permanently. If you're ready to part ways with your Gmail, this video is for you, so let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account and log into your account that you want to delete by entering your email and password. Now, once you signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and simply click on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Now, in the menu, simply find Data and Privacy. This is where you'll manage all your Google data, including Gmail. Scroll down to simply download or delete your data. Here, now you can simply find delete a Google service. Simply tap on it. You may need to sign in again for security purposes. Now find the Gmail in the list of services and simply click on the trash icon next to it. You'll be asked to verify your identity again, and Google will let you know what will happen once the account is deleted. To confirm, simply enter your email address and simply click on send verification email. Remember, deleting your Gmail account is permanent and you won't be able to send or receive emails, and all your data will be lost. So make sure to back up important emails and contacts first. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now